Okay, everyone. So I only had a few people working on the spelling word scramble yesterday while I was working in small groups. So I apologize. I feel like I probably needed to explain it better. So here are our instructions. This is a spelling word scramble. You might have played one of these before. So scramble up your spelling words, write them mixed up letters, and then write them correctly. So I've already given you your scrambled spelling words over here. So what spelling word is this? Oh, I don't even have a bank for you. Well, that makes it hard, doesn't it? Let me give you a bank here. Okay, so I'll edit this in a second later. But here is your word bank up here. So I only put 5 scrambled spelling words down right here. Look at your bank up here. Which do you think this word is? Mumits. Well, it looks like summit to me because those are the only letters that are in the word summit. So you're going to come over here and type the word summit next to number 1. And you can do them in any order, but I just want you to have all 5 down. Okay, so let's talk about the spelling word sentences. You are going to write a sentence for each of your spelling words. So we have campers, capture, discuss, distance, accept, forget, summit, and swimming. We went over them in class yesterday. So you just have to make up a sentence. So think about the word campers. I mean, someone who is camping. The campers went to the RV. That's a sentence. All right, about this. What about the word capture? Capture means to like get or grab something. We played capture the flag. That's a game. Someone, I think Sergio gave that example yesterday, capture the flag. The word discussed, it means to talk about something, right? So the family discussed whether or not to get a dog. All right. Okay. I gave you 3 example sentences here. You're welcome to use them, but I'm going to have you try and write sentences for the rest of these. You can put a number 1, 2, and 3 down, but you don't have to. You can just type. Well, I guess after you type number 1, it does it automatically. But yeah, you don't have to do it like that. You can just write it as a paragraph, whatever you want, as long as you write a sentence for each of your spelling words. And this one, I think, messed some people up. So the fancy spelling words was really just an opportunity to be like silly with it. So you could go up here to your font, pick a different font, and it's fancy spelling words. So you could let me type campers in first. Then you can change the font to be something very fancy. So it was just like a way for you to type the words, um, but use like something fancy and fun instead. So, anyway, those are the instructions for these slides. Again, you are unscrambling letters, you are writing sentences, and then you are writing each of the spelling words using a fun font. And again, if you want to change the font, you come up here to where it says font. And there's all these different options you can select. You can also select more fonts as well and kind of scroll through and see what you like. So I hope that makes more sense now. Please reach out if you have any questions.